This is one of the most satisfying moments in watchmaking, and here is how to get there. We start by measuring the inner diameter of the mainspring barrel using a caliper. In this example, the reading is 11 millimeters. As a general rule, you should always subtract about half a millimeter from the measured diameter to choose the correct winder base. Next, gather the components you will need: the housing, the setter bowl, the winder base, the staple jig, and, of course, a staple. Now we create a fresh hook. Place the staple inside the staple jig and cut it flush along the side of the jig. Insert the hook into the winder base. I noticed that sometimes the hole in contact with the arbor works better than the other holes. Place the mainspring onto the arbor and slide it down. Then rotate the hook so that it faces toward the inside of the mainspring. Take the housing and place it over the assembly. Guide the mainspring into the side slot of the housing. If it doesn't slip in immediately, gently help it using your tweezers as shown. Keep firm and constant pressure on the plunger to prevent the winder base and the housing from separating while you wind the spring. Begin winding in the correct direction for your mainspring. Wind all the way until the end of the spring approaches the slot. Insert the bridle manually. Again, you can use tweezers if needed. Finish winding very gently, making sure the bridle does not slip out of any slot. Take a moment to check that nothing protrudes. Then, while still maintaining pressure, slowly unwind the base and progressively release the tension until you feel there is no more back pressure. Separate the housing from the base. Occasionally, the mainspring may remain attached to the arbor. If that happens, carefully detach it using fine tweezers. Place the bowl over the mainspring. Firmly press the bowl and housing together so nothing can shift. Then gently press the plunger so it protrudes slightly. Position the mainspring barrel over the mainspring. Place the bowl on top. Set the assembly on the table. And now press the plunger to seat the mainspring inside the barrel.